Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll try to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding of different technologies like the SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. Basically here, so the data is very simple. Let me take you to that. So here we can see that I have a table. It contains 3 columns and 14 records like what is the category ID and subcategory and purchase data. So here we can see that each category, so there are different types of subcategory and their respective purchase data. Okay, I'll go to the report section. Here we can see same thing like category ID and subcategory and purchase data. So here, so the requirement is I want to understand, so for each category ID what is the max purchase date for the subcategory. Okay, for each category I want to find max purchase date for each subcategory. So in this case 101, I have 3 subcategories. Out of 3 subcategories, what is the max purchase date? So this is the right, so number, so 4th and 2003, same thing. Again in this measure, so I'm trying to return the minimum purchase date. It means that the first purchase date, so this is the right, so July 26th 2003. So likewise I'm writing this measure, and the same thing here. So I'm trying to find the so each category ID, so what is the max purchase date subcategory ID. So here I am not returning any date. I want to what the subcategory ID is, so that is purchase latest max purchase date. Okay, so 34, but in this case, so that is the minimum, so purchase date subcategory. In this case, so minimum purchase date, what is the subcategory ID? 23, but here 34. Likewise I have written so different types of measure to get the expected output. Maybe so sometimes we used to get this kind of situations based on the category ID. I want subcategory purchase date and max purchase date or minimum purchase date. So how many subcategories for each product, each category. There are like different business use cases you used to get so while working on it. So that's why for timing I just so created this sample report. Let me go through the measures and all. It's very simple. So now we can see, so for each category ID I'm trying to find the max subcategory and then returning the what are the max purchase date for each category, and again like a minimum purchase date here. And in this case, so here I want to return the max subcategory ID for the max purchase date. In this, for each category, see now we can see category ID is equal to max category ID and purchase date is equal to what are the measure previously returning the max purchase date. I'm just trying to compare and finally returning the subcategory ID. Okay, same thing here. So minimum purchase date subcategory ID. So likewise we can implement this requirement. I think it looks very simple only. So maybe going forward we will try to come up with the different types of logic, especially in DAX and all. So if you have any DAX problems, so please send me an email so that I'll try to create a video on that. So if anyone having feeling difficult understanding DAX, so feel free to drop an email so about your requirement. I'll try to create a video on your request. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you.